name is Hélène Robitaille. I'm 78 years old, and I only started chronic cough since 2017. Chronic cough has affected my ability to definitely socialize, because when you start, you don't know if you're going to start coughing, sometimes not. But when you start coughing, people are really looking up at you, especially in the pandemic period we are. And I would say sometimes it's just a chronic cough. It's nothing that I'm going to transmit to you. But people, it just scared them. My main activity is I go for a walk, and if I get out of breath, then I start to cough. So I'm careful. I don't go too fast and I don't go too far. At night, if I lay down, it lasts a long time, like 20 minutes, to the point where I can't even cough anymore. It doesn't affect me as much, especially now, but whenever it happens, it's hard to control. It's hard to stop it. Yes, I am on medication every day. 3 different kind of medication. My chronic cough, at the beginning, I had no medication, and it was really quite out of control. Once my doctor started using or prescribing different medication, then I saw some difference. What helps me manage my chronic cough, aside from that medication, is that I met with a specialist in breathing, really. And what she did is giving me some methods or some things that might help me. Well, in my perspective, anyone that would be diagnosed with chronic cough, I would say, just don't give up on the medicine. Eventually, there is one that is suited for you. But they don't know exactly, because each person is so different. Don't give up. Don't say, oh, I'm just coughing. You need help. Just don't leave it at that. So I suggest that anybody else find some help, and then you'll take it from there.